will not stop so easily. But when the farmers take up the struggle, Supreme Court also passes a stay order on its own, suo moto, against implementation of those laws. So we win in different ways, and then only we reach the manzil.
And ma'am, now is 261 days, and they are
Winter is quite silent. They cannot answer our questions. They don't have the courage because they have already entered into contracts with the corporates before the past elections. So they cannot now, make them lose. They want to make them more and more profiteering enterprises. They want to have ease of doing business, not ease of living life. So it is obvious that Modi government is against farmers and laborers both, and that's why this unity really matters. And if one steel plant is challenged, for which Vizag people have fought long battles, farmers from 68 villages have donated land, how can Modi have the right to sell it off? That's not possible. Even if their employment and service conditions continue, this is what they will claim, but it will not. The corporate culture is different from the public sector culture, and that's why we have to fight for that workers' culture and the nature both.
From the central government, they gave
False statements. It is a fake government, everyone calls it now. And they are also claiming that the ease of doing business will take us to global heights. But that's not possible. He may pretend to be a Vishwa Guru, but he is not our Guru. So it is also known now that wherever public sector is given away, whether it is BSNL or BPCL, there the retrenchment is taking place, there the VRS is imposed. We in the Century Mills of Kumar Mangalam Birla have refused to accept VRS, and the battle is being fought for last 4 years. And 1400 and more days Satyagraha is on in Madhya Pradesh. They have broken our pendal, they arrested us, but we are